Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness on Predator 17. In order to adjust the brightness, there are two different methods. The first one is to click on this notification center button, expand the shortcuts if they are not expanded yet, and adjust the brightness here. But if you want to do that more conveniently, you can simply find the arrows on your keyboard. And the left and right arrows are for adjusting the brightness. But in order to use them, you need to combine them with the FN key. And that's what I'm gonna do. Simply press on FN and either of the arrows, and that adjusts the volume. That's all, the brightness, sorry. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.